Hi everyone, here is the chart analysis of Cochin Shipyard. Since August 2025, the stock has been trading in a downward sloping trend channel, forming lower highs, lower lows. The recent candle on Friday, 3rd July, it was formed in the red with above average selling volumes indicating selling momentum. It formed a gravestone doji indicating that the stock price at higher levels that is being pushed by the buyers is being rejected by the sellers. They attempted, it opened at 152525 levels, made a intraday high at 1551, but the sellers pulled it low and eventually ended at 1524 levels, which was near about the opening price of the stock on that day. It is trading above the 50-day exponential moving average. So resistance that I can see is placed at 1572. The support is at 1399. If from Monday onwards we see strong buying action, buyers or the buying action may push the stock, break out the resistance, and may even break out the upper trend line of the downward sloping trend channel, take a retest and then continue its upward journey. But if not, if sellers come in action, then they may pull the price below the support, take a retest, continue its downward journey. So Monday we need to see if there's buying momentum beating the previous intraday high at 1551. So if it does, then it's a good sign. If not, we need more confirmation. RSI, if I have to talk about, it is 55.62. 60 should be, but we do need to watch this going ahead. Do let me know if you found this helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more such chart analysis. Thank you.